my name is Samantha. Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be packaging an order. Let's get into it. So today we're going to be packaging Steven's order. I have it printed out right here. He has ordered 2 jar openers and a tissue pouch. And when ordering, he mentioned M3 and H3 for the jar openers and B4 for the tissue pouches. If you don't know what he's referring to, on my Etsy, I have all of the items listed in a alphabetical and number column order so that I know exactly what products you want. And so before recording this, I went ahead and already looked at what those codes were. So for the jar openers, he's interested in the red and blue owls, and then the barbecue owls. And then for the tissue pouch, it's the watermelon one. So we're gonna go through the bins here and find those products, snap a picture, send a message, make sure that those are the correct products. We'll go ahead and package up the order. I just won't seal it until I wait for a response from him. Once I get confirmation, then I'll go ahead and take it to the post office. So let's find the tissue pouch first. So we're looking for the watermelon tissue pouch. Let's see here. I don't see it on top. And I see one right here. There we are, the watermelon tissue pouch. And if you're interested in ordering any of these items and you want to see a full detail, you can check out my previous live video. If you want to watch the most updated live video, then we will be doing that September 28th at noon. If you would, and the link's down below if you want to RSVP to that. And if you want to shop in person, I will be at Fabbioli Cellars, that is in Leesburg, Virginia. I'll be there on September 21st. So now I'm looking for the owl jar openers. Let's see here. And because I have them all organized by type, they were right next to each other. So I have them right here. So we went ahead and found all the products. Have all the products here. I have his free sticker. I have the order printed out, and I said thank you so much for your order. I have my mailers here. I personally am not a big fan that these are plastic. However, I did buy these at, you'll never guess, the thrift store. This is 100 pieces and I paid $5. And you know, being environmentally conscientious is like, if it's already in the world, you might as well use it and use it well. So it was better that I buy this and use it till it's to its full extent than it just end up right away in the landfill. So there is that. I'm gonna fold the order, throw this in. Again, all the links will be down below if you want to shop in person, if you want to shop online, if you want to go to the live show, or if you want to come to my next class. So once we get off of this video here, I'm gonna go ahead and snap a picture of the items that are picked out, make sure that these are the correct items. I'm gonna print out the shipping label. I have in here, I love this container. I got this from, I think it's called Daiso. It's like a Dollar Tree type place. And this is adhesive paper. Let's see here. So it's a sticker. So I'll go ahead and print on this and just stick it on here, and then I'll go take it to the post office. Let me know if there's anything else that I can share about my process with you, and I'd be happy to share it. I'm also going to include my list from that I give out at craft shows of all of my upcoming show dates, because this customer is local. If it was a customer in like Utah or Arizona, it's not worth putting it in. They're not going to come to Pennsylvania or Virginia to one of the craft shows, but for this order, because the customer is local, I will put that in just as a little extra information that I can share about myself. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.